Hi Yarlings, I'm back again with another Teach Me Thursday video. For those that are new to my channel, Teach Me Thursday videos where I sit down and teach you guys how to do a complicated stitch and or pattern. Today we're going to be doing something fun and we're going to learn how to do a popcorn stitch from right to left. But first, if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for supporting me over here on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video. If you haven't already liked it, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and let's get on to this stitch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a 5.5mm hook and we're going to get our favorite yarn color. Today I'm going to use red. Step 1, we're going to chain 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After chain 7, you're going to chain one more. 8. Work 1 single crochet into the second stitch from your hook. 1. In the next stitch, you're going to work 3 double crochet, but instead of finishing off the double crochet, you're going to get halfway and then stop. So let me show you and explain. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through like you would a normal double crochet, yarn over again, pull through 2. But when you yarn over again, you're not going to pull through the last 2. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over again, insert 2. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to do this one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook. For the final yarn over, you're going to yarn over and pull through the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your first popcorn. In the next stitch, you're going to work 1 single crochet. Now, in your next stitch, you're going to make another popcorn stitch. So yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. When you have 4 loops on your crochet hook, you're going to yarn over a final time and pull through all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your second popcorn. Repeat all the way across. Single crochet, popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3. Turn over. Now for your last stitch, you should fall on 1 single crochet. This will be your first row. You notice how the popcorn stitch kind of pushes forward on your stitches, so you have that little popcorn effect. What you're going to do now is you're going to chain 1, turn your project. And every stitch above, you should have 7, or you should have, in every stitch above, you should have 1 single crochet, 1 cluster, 1 single crochet, 1 cluster, 1 single crochet, 1 cluster, end on 1 single crochet. So you should have 7 single crochet across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to chain 1, turn. Now that you have 7 single crochet across, you're going to repeat the same thing we did for the first row. Single crochet in the first stitch, popcorn in the second stitch. 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and you should end on single crochet. Your next row should be another single crochet row to continue. But this is how you make a popcorn stitch going right to left. I hope you find this video super helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you have a complicated stitch you'd like for me to explain and or a pattern you want me to figure out for you, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I'll catch y'all next time for another Teach Me Thursday video. Bye!